Morning traders, Nick Massandrea with Market Tea Leads, here to bring you our daily market bias report for Tuesday, June 4th. It's approximately 6 a.m. on the East Coast. If we were to take a look at the overnight session, Asia closed mixed with about half the indices closing higher and the other half closing lower. As it stands right now in Europe, all of Europe is trading higher, probably to augment or offset the losses that they incurred yesterday. In terms of our futures, they're somewhat mixed, if you will. We have the Nasdaq trading slightly higher, but we also have the S&P and the Dow trading a bit lower. Let me try and explain why. We're going to take a look at market correlation. U.S. dollar is trading higher. This is not necessarily bullish for the markets or the indices. Energies in terms of crude are trading lower. This means there is correlation between crude and the U.S. dollar. However, the key and pivotal point here is the bonds. Right now, the bonds aren't really giving us any sense of direction, and they've been flipping in and out of positive territory fractionally all morning long. Currently, right now, they're unchanged. In terms of the indices are trading lower. They've been pretty much trading lower all morning long. Metals in terms of gold. Gold is trading lower. This has been trading lower all morning long. In terms of economic news, economic reports, we don't really have very much today. We do have a trade balance out at 8:30 a.m. And then we have an economic optimism number at 10 a.m., but this is not really major. And we have an FOMC member speaking at 1:30 in the afternoon, again not major. So the major news item is going to be the trade balance, which is out at 8:30 a.m. Our bias is to the downside today. Again, the reason for that is because of the bonds. We kind of think that during the course of the trading day, in all likelihood, it's probably going to follow suit with the U.S. dollar and trade higher. If that happens, then clearly that's a down signal. Additionally, there is a possibility that the smart money may look to take some capital off the table, if you will, due to the upswing that we experienced yesterday. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. But again, our bias is to the downside. We'll have to see how the day progresses. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.